All right, good morning. I don't know the date, but it is Thursday in November. And this is the hike to the south ridge of, oh God, this thing, going up to that thing. Going to the top of El Cajon Mountain, taking the south ridge. Getting on right by El Capitan Lake. Good morning. Should be a good hike. It's about 3,000 feet. Most of that elevation comes in the first half of the out part of this. It's an out and back trail. I have never done it, and it apparently is extraordinarily difficult. I haven't had breakfast yet. I've had a ton of coffee with some coconut stuff, creamer, and I am wired. When you come to a fork in the road, take it. Wow. I'm about 5 minutes into this hike and it is beautiful. It's amazing. It's not hot. It's actually pretty chilly. It's maybe in the 50s, but no breeze, so I'm a little worried about it later because this is a long hike, so it might get hot. I don't see anybody, and it's silent out here. It is eerily silent. Beautiful. Something I always forget when I'm hiking is that if you ever lose the trail, there's always these things, because people rock and they put these little... I'm heading towards the mountain now, and it's giant. It's huge. Sketchy one. Anyway, look how close the mountain's getting. I cannot believe I'm about to go up there. It looks so big. I'm a novice hiker, let's be honest. Okay, here's the pull off for the ridge. I'm guessing. I don't have cell service and I can't load my map, so. Okay, I believe I'm on the trail, but it's really confusing. It's beautiful though. It's steep. It's steep. Looking back at the road, I've gone up pretty high. So I can see back, I can see Mission Trails Regional Park over there now. This is wildly steep already, and it looks like it's gonna get steeper. I kind of have a feeling it's gonna be, oh cool. Look at these guys. They're huge. They're slow moving, they look peaceful. Excuse me guys. I feel bad, I definitely crushed like 100 of them already. They're all over the place. I just wish I could get perspective on the incline here. You see that? Anyway, right, I haven't really slipped out much. I haven't tripped yet, only tripped once. But this is pretty wild. Everything is just big steps, big steps. Whew. This looks like a good water break spot. Oh, joking. Oh, I hate water. Oh, I love water. This is about how steep it is. It's very steep. But we're up here. Getting high. I'm almost as high as those mountains over there. Fast, that was fast. Okay, so my GPS is working. I'm 1,000 feet up. I just ate some oatmeal because I'm thinking every 1,000 feet I'm gonna take a break at least. Probably gonna take more breaks than that. This is what I'm dealing with right now. I am climbing. It would really suck to slip, but it is beautiful. Do I have any oatmeal in my teeth? Yep, tastes like it. Don't zoom in. I know I'm on the right path because I've made it to the lunch rock elevation. 1659. Got a nice cave. Beautiful views up here from the lunch rock. Sounds good. Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye. Just scheduled my Chiefs interview for November 23rd. It's a Monday at 3:10 in the afternoon. 3:10. That's a weird time. 3:10. How are they doing these? I don't know. Chiefs interview for the San Diego Fire Rescue Department, and I just did that from up here because I get service up here now. Hey, I keep putting my camera away back. Keep taking it out because these amazing moments where I almost fall off these cliffs. So this is me standing here with this above me, and I'm over here looking at all this. And I found a cave. Very steep. Okay, there's the top. So I'm a pretty novice hiker. This is definitely the hardest hike I've ever done in my life by far. I can't believe I'm even up this high and made it this far. This has been the most challenging. I'm definitely at my limit. I see a really cool trail over there that I might do for leisure one day. It's beautiful. I'm feeling pretty shitty, but I'm still sweating, so it's good. And trying to ration my water. I'm about halfway through it, so I gotta chill. Yeah, it's fun. Right? Okay, this has been the most insane hike of my life. It's a straight climb. This is a climb. It's a climb. I'm climbing a mountain. I'm exhausted. But that's the end. I have to somehow get up this rock wall. Actually, I have no fucking idea how I'm gonna get up this rock wall. It's a legit rock wall at the summit of this ridge. Don't curse. How am I gonna get up there? I'm so tired, but I've been at this for about like an hour and a half, so it's understandable. But most of the top. I don't know how I'm gonna get down, dude. I don't know how I'm gonna get down from here. Helicopter ride? No, we'll make it. Easy, easy. Yeah, I did it. Oh, everything hurts. I'm up the rock walls. That's it for the hard elevation climb of this hike, which was pretty much the only intimidating part of this hike for me. The views, I hope this captures the views. Oh my God. This has been an incredible hike. I got bit by ants. I'm all scratched up a little bit. But dang, it's been amazing. Okay, my battery's dying because my camera was left on, but I just got down off the hardest part of this mountain. My knees are killing me, I'm exhausted, and this is it.